What's up, guys? I'm here again at the 5 Mile Lake. It's another lake here in Washington, which has really nice field of views and things that you can pretty much do every day, like activities. So this place here, I've always comes here every time I visit my friends. But for some reason today is Sunday and I have to work, so since this lake is very close to where I work, so might as just vlog it and I'll let you see what's in here. So this is the basketball court that we used to play before. See, this is rubberized, so it's pretty good, huh? This is just the outdoor basketball court. So this is the tennis, where if you want to play tennis, like the tennis court, and then if you want to play the baseball, you can also have a area to play your baseball with your friends. So this is where you want to picnic with your family. So it's a pretty nice area here. I love this place. Actually, most of my friends, they have a family already, so they always invited me for a picnic every summer before. That was like 5 years ago. So I always comes here with their families and friends, and they always comes here and do a picnic, do barbecues and play some sports, especially basketball. We always play basketball. And here, like volleyball, soccer, and then baseball over there. It's pretty much every day. Last summer, well, actually 2 years ago, my friend John, he comes here with his family to celebrate his son's birthday. So I was invited. I came here along with my longtime friends that I haven't seen for a while. So we're just here playing basketball, picnic, do some activities, and his kids was like playing in the playground there. Actually, we're heading there. It's pretty nice. See, look at this. This is a nice trees. When Christmas comes, you can put some a lot of series of lights. That's the restroom here. So that's where we use the restroom. It's a pretty nice place. At summer, every summer this place is packed with kids and families. There's a lot of people also catch fish on that lake. So I'll show you. This is the playground. So if you have a kid, you can also bring them here. But this is so rubberized, eh? Look at this, is rubberized. You can bring them here and play. God, if this is really close to my apartment, I would play here every day and do exercise. Like a monkey bar. Woo hoo! See, you can climb here. And then you have a slide. Do slide, but the slide is freaking wet. See? Yeah, I'm a kid. Yeah, your kids will be so happy. See, you have the monkey bars here. Going to the park. This is the park area. Last time this area here, these are full of bushes. I think they start cutting all these bushes and make everything, clear. See, look at that lake. Oh my God, this is a big tree. So, like I said, when me and my friend always comes here and play basketball, we always bring our fishing rod and we start fishing here. Sometimes we go all and climb here. Climb and play here every summer. See these bushes? See, the trees are very huge. It's big, massive. And then you go downhill. So you look at that trees. I just can't wait for summer or maybe spring. Spring is coming. I can't wait so that I can see all these trees that it looks dead, but when spring comes, these trees will turn alive again. And they start blooming with their own flowers and fresh leaves. I'm going down. Whew. Whew. Yeah. This lake is not really that big, like compared to the other lake that I always go. This is just a small lake, but I still struggle why they call this 5-mile lake. I don't know why. So let's just get into this. No lifeguard on duty. See, look how beautiful the houses is. They are, look at that. They're surrounded by water. It's beautiful. Look at the water here. There's not a lot of people catching fish right now. They usually catch fish a lot here. Oh, there's like two of them. So you guys be responsible. Look at the water. It's just right there. Trees. So beautiful. See what's in that corner of that in that lake. See if they make another pathway to go to the other side of the lake. You can see, because last time it's just only here. Like this is the stop area of the lake. You cannot cross all the way there, but now for some reason they open it up. Now it's clean. Let's go. Oh, look at the water, it's just right there. I guess this is the end. I guess this is the end. This is the end area. Look at that, beautiful. Oh my God. All right, let's go back. What a good exercise before I work. Shout out to my girlfriend in Philippines. I wish you were here. Ooh, it's so cold. Very, very cold. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Oh. Hello. Hi. That's a cute dog. Especially the Siberian Huskies. It's a beautiful dog. Simple life. You don't need too money to spend. You just need to the lake. You just need to go to the lake or go to the park and do some activities and spend your time in there. And your day will be solved. Like what I do before, I always spend a lot of money to casinos and everywhere. Now I'd rather spend my time seeing the lovely nature and get rid of my stress. See that? I'm gonna run. That's a nice tree for Christmas. Alright guys, that's it for now. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. See you to my next video. Peace out. Yo. Bye bye.
Yeah.